Hidden field is used to store data to a particular server and retrieve data from the different servlets. Hidden field doesn't affect the appearance of the page, which is presenting to the users. To add this field to your form, drag and drop the field from the advanced input fields. To enable customization, click on the edit icon you get when hovering over the field. Define admin field label to keep a note for yourself or the other admins if necessary. Only the admins can view this. Users can't. Select pre-populated values in the columns from the default value for the logged-in users. The input field's name attribute is the HTML equivalent of the same name. You don't need to modify this. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon.